G'day, in today's video I'm installing a 6700 XT Red Devil into an Antec VSK4000B U2. Looks something like this, but as we can see there's really not much room. We have a hard drive tray here and a cutout, and we have one very big card. So if I sit you guys here for a second, holding it up, how the devil are we going to get this Red Devil in there? So what we're going to have to do is work our way through the gap over here. So through here we're going on a diagonal, hopefully just enough that we can get the card in. There we go. So with that slight twist we've gotten in there, and I've just discovered the builder of this previous machine, as I've just been working on it, hasn't removed the shield. So I might as well try and show you how to remove the card. Just look at it, we're stuck. So we have to give it a slight twist and try and just get this bit over. Once you get this over, we're pretty much clean to get it out from there. Now I'm just going to break this out, and then we'll go back to reinstalling. And now with the shield busted out, let's try this once more. So grab your card, bit of an angle in, feeding it in, rotate slightly down, push in, rotate back. From there, you should be able to slowly line it up. So it is a very tight fit for a very large graphics card. There we go, installed. We'll lay it flat. And as we can see, we're in. So that's how to install a fairly large card into the Antec VSK4000B. Hope that helps, and I'll see you later. Bye.